This is Team Applesauce's app for a food planner. My name is Dane. I covered the home screen and linking the home screen to each of our different meals.
My name is Christian, and I cover breakfast. So we have 5 foods, and if you'd like tap on it, it gives you like the name, photo, and the ingredients that you need, and how you prepare that, and also it's has a return button, so you can see more foods, and you can go back to the home screen.
All right, my name's Aspen. I designed the logo for the Applesauce app, and I also connected the link to lunch. So here's the 5 recipes for lunch, and we have the recipe and the name of the recipe, and a return button to there, and then back to the home screen.
My name is Zara, and I was responsible for the dinner part. That's the same. We can see the menu with our 5 options, and each option we can have the picture, how it's supposed to be, and all the ingredients and steps with the return buttons that link back to the homepage.
And I'm Porter, and I did the calendar. So there's the. That's really unfortunate.
No!
No, I can cut it.
Yeah,
Keep
we can
videoing.
just cut it.
Okay, keep videoing.
No, stop.
My name is Porter, and I made the calendar. So if we press on the calendar button, it takes us to the sweet little calendar here. As we can see, we're on 4/4/2022. So let's say we want to go to tomorrow and plan our meal. We want to make an enchilada for dinner. We save that, and then if we go to any other day, it has a new text box. But if we go back to the 5th, we can see that it's saved enchilada for dinner. You can even clear, save, cancel, and go back to our main menu.